ह्याने प्रश्न चांगला विचारला पण फार लांबलचक आहे. इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन ही इज आस्क्ड दॅट हाऊ भक्ती लय योग, भक्ती योग and karma योग and everything is in Sahaj Yoga. Prabandha Gita hai, the whole of Gita. Now what is Sahaj Yoga?
The knowledge. The knowledge.
Sahaj Yoga is a spontaneous system built within us naturally through nature, by which Kundalini Shakti rises and you become the spirit. As a result, the spirits are manifesting through your central nervous system, and because the spirit is the knowledge, the joy and the truth and the attention, you become that. Means your central nervous system becomes that, capable of knowing that. We can put it like that, to make it little elaborate. Now to work it out, how does it take place? Bhakti is also born in you. If you were not seeking God, you would not come to me. So that is also in you. If you are not seekers of knowledge, you would not have come to me. That is also there. So, if you were not working it out, karma yogis, if you were not, you would not come to me. You are coming to me itself is a karma. So, people who are coming to me or to Sahaj Yoga are people who have all these things, three things in them already built in. So it is innately placed. So now what is the yoga? That all these three things within you gets enlightened. Your bhakti gets enlightened, your karmas get enlightened, and as a result of this there is a laya yoga. Means both the things lose their own identity. They merge into each other. This is laya yoga, where the ego and the superego both disappear, is laya yoga. Ego is the result of your karmas, superego is the result of your what you call the conditioning or your bhakti. Unless and until you have bhakti, you won't take any conditioning upon yourself. So these two things get dissolved. So the laya yoga takes place. Now what is Raja Yoga? Is where the central path of Mahalakshmi goes into play. Where the Kundalini rises, it tries to control the centers, to constrict it when it is necessary, to dilate it when it is necessary. It rises up to a point that it has to constrict. Then this next chakra has to open out. Then it has to constrict itself to keep it up. All this is Raja Yoga. So all actions that take place, say for you eat your food. How do you eat your food? Through Raja Yoga. How does it get digested is Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga, you can say that. All the parasympathetic action is Raja Yoga. But parasympathetic is not under our control, so we cannot do it. Bhakti we cannot do it because we are not connected. And karmas we cannot do it in the name of God because we are not authorized. So we cannot do any karmas in the name of God, we are not authorized before realization. We cannot do any bhakti because we are not connected. And Raj Yoga we cannot do it because parasympathetic is beyond our control. So all the three things we cannot do, though innately we are built. Only when you are realized, you can do all these three things, because the driver of these three things is awakened now. He starts the car. What you do is all artificial things. Some people in bhakti, they get a picture of Rolls Royce and put it here and say we are in Rolls Royce. It's something like that. This bhakti without Atma is something like that. So stupid. Or they'll go on singing, take this medicine, take that medicine, and don't take medicines, create headaches for themselves and others. All nonsense it becomes. When they are doing karmas, what karmas they are doing? They are just putting action as if they are driving. कोणाला खोकला तो जरा मुलाला बाहेर घेऊन. So, when you are doing any action, because you are not doing it, you take the ego upon yourself. You think you are doing it. So the ego develops. All your karmas are just like driving, you see. Without having a car there, just driving. You see, I'm driving a car. Where is the car? No, I'm driving, working very hard. So that is the karma. So karma yoga means when you get the driver. When the car gets the driver, then there is a yoga. Now laya yoga is that where you don't have to worry about these two things, that I am doing this work, nor you have to worry that I have to learn. When it happens, when you become an expert, you don't think you are driving, you don't have to remember, and you don't have to learn anymore when your learning is over. So when does it happen? Is when you put the driver inside yourself, when you become the driver. So when does it happen? When you get realized. How do you get realized? By Kundalini awakening. Through what? Through Sahaja. And who does that? Mataji Nirmala Devi.